Can you tell us what is it actually and what's the DOD?
It's self-explained. It's hacking, but it's ethical. So like you get paid for hacking, like testing. So it's actually ethical hacking is like it's actually a part of cybersecurity, and you ethical hacking is just you are testing how secure the app might be, and if there's any like vulnerabilities, just give it the report. There's our report.
And what's the DOD?
The DOD is I got DOD to get a certified ethical hacker by EC Council, not just a certificate, it's certification. It's certified. So there is a standard. You have to go to the test to get that thing.
So you learn about the C language?
I'm currently learning about the C language.
Can you give us the example of company that needs someone like you said before?
A company that needs ethical
Yes.
hacker. Literally, every company that needs ethical hacking, probably everything nowadays. Like I don't know, everything. Like e-commerce, for example, because you have personal data like address, credit card number, and names. Yeah, that's very like if a hacker got that thing, it's very dangerous. So we need to secure that, and the company, if that data got leaked, the company will take responsibilities, and that's not cheap. There's like penalties for that. I don't know in here, but in the US there's very big penalty if you get data leaked. And probably like bank, like a bank app or something like PayPal. Yeah, PayPal, you need security because there's literally money in there.
When and why? Like suddenly that come up in your mind. Hey, I want to learn about ethical hacking.
I don't know. I just like at first I'm just learning programming because I have nothing to do, and then I learned ethical hacking because I have nothing to do. I did like ethical hacking though, because even though it's not as cool as it sounds, hacking it's not cool as it sounds, but it's pretty fun for me at least.
So when you officially being hacker in ethical hacker,
A certified hacker.
yes, certified, you want to run on your company, or you want to getting a job in a US?
I think get a job first, like
But not in Indonesia, right?
and anywhere at first.
Oh, okay.
At first, like anywhere, anyone who need one.
Indonesia need an ethical hacker.
Yeah, of course. Especially like bank need one because data leak can be dangerous to others, and the penalty of like your app like leak the data of your customers is not as severe in the US. So I don't know. Do people actually do that?
Okay, so we have 4 points that already done.
Yeah.
Yes. I just want to know, like one by one, what you are doing with that.
I'm just combine this into
Yes.
one, networking. Just learning networking because ethical hacking need networking, like IP and stuff, local network, LAN and such thing as that. And you need to learn like the hardware also, like router, switch, and how those all of those connect to each other, and how they communicate, because there's protocol. Protocol is like a set of protocols. So when some of this device communication to each other it doesn't collapse. And you have tried Linux?
I have heard it, but I don't use it.
It's pretty enjoyable actually. Just like you don't need mouse actually to use Linux. Just type in everything, so it's pretty fast. Just use the terminal because like you can just type I don't know, Google dash Chrome and it just open Google Chrome. But no one use Google Chrome on Linux.
So you're using Linux on your laptop, right?
This one is, I have like a virtual machine, virtual box. This virtual box, if you open it, this like Kali Linux. This like a computer in a computer.
Yeah.
So both of this just for practice, like vulnerable things, like you need spawn the target to hack. And this, like if I open this, is two separate entities. My laptop and this thing is two separate entities through different IP address.
And now let's talk about the progress. There's learn programming, learn sniffing, learn vulnerability analysis. Yes, can you tell us about it?
The first one is learn Python because when you ethical hackers deal with webs every day, you hack webs and things. So I need to learn Python, also the C and JavaScript and Java, but that's in the next one. And the second one is one computer talking to each other and you in the middle, hearing what are they communicating. And you pretend to be a router, so they send the data to you and you send the data to the target. Actually, I tried sniffing to this laptop with the virtual box. If this thing logs in, like open Chrome and logs into HTTP web, and I type like password and email, it's going to show up in the virtual box. Like this laptop wants to communicate with the web, and this, what are they sending? It's a password and an email if you want to log in. Different thing with HTTPS, because HTTPS is secure and encrypted. So if you get if there's like sniffers, it's probably encrypted and it's just random words. And vulnerability analysis, it's actually pretty easy. Just run the tools.
What tools?
Tools on Linux. There's tools, many tools in Linux to search for vulnerabilities. It's auto scanning. So yeah, all you need to do is just checking which one is really vulnerable and which one is just, I don't know, just show up in there for some reason. Yeah, if there's nothing wrong, then it just depends of how much the company will pay, because how deep we're going to like search for vulnerabilities. There's like probably like many ethical hackers have like two, like the auto scanning and the manual, which is more detailed to learn C, because you need that to make malware.
What's the requirement to get certified?
Yeah, there is like you need to pay for the test and you do the test, and there's like a score. I believe it's written 120 questions, 4 hours.
So there are no like training or?
There is.
Oh, there's
probably. Yeah, but if you don't actually like need the training. If you have like, I don't know, cybersecurity background, you can just pay for the.
Okay. So it's optional.
Yeah, but if you don't have any cybersecurity background, then you need to.
When you want to get certification?
I'm joining the course. It's like 5 times meeting, Zoom. And it's like every Saturday. Yeah, it's every Saturday for 5 straight weeks.
So it's still in to do, and
yeah.
When it will move to progress?
I don't know. I just need to put it there.
So we move on to the next. There's improve hacking skills. Okay, why is it a separate backlog? Because I don't know, if I see that it is something that actually have in common with the ethical hacking.
Because it's different. If you see like the to-do list, it's actually just normal programming, because it is just normal programming. Because yeah, it's very beneficial to learn HTML and SQL for ethical hackers, so you could use it to your advantage. Program also same with programming.
So what's the DOD?
DOD? I don't know. I'm going to think about the DOD of the third one after I finish the second one probably.
So there are no DOD yet?
Yeah, because there is probably like some change in to-do list. Like I add more stuff or remove more stuff.
So you're gonna start doing it after you were done with learn ethical hacking?
Yeah.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lists on to do this for the improve hacking skills. What is the first thing you want to move to progress?
Between this, it's probably HTML, SQL, and Java. That's probably like the first three I'm going to learn after this thing.
After you get certified, or
Yeah, after I get certified.
what's the minimum score?
I believe it's around 80.
Okay, Arkan, what's the definition of fun from your project?
I think I could do many cool stuff, in my opinion. Not just the ethical hacking, even the program. You could make some cool things with it, code things, and I don't know, make an app, for example. And also you could play CTF. Actually, like just mentioned here, CTF is like capture the flag. It's like I believe it's a game for like cybersecurity people and improving their skills and compete with each other. So the value. Probably like I could do cool stuff. I could make very useful stuff like apps. I think, yeah, could be very useful. Those knowledge will be very handy in the future.
So you believe that it can help a lot of people?
Yeah.
I think that's it for me. Is there anything you want to tell us?
No.
Okay. Thank you, Arkan.
Yeah.
And good luck.
With what?